everybody, welcome back. So I am walking, if you can see, there's Macy's right there, and then over there is Nordstrom's rack. I needed to come to Macy's to go to the MAC counter, even though there is a MAC store in the mall, but it's just easier for me to go inside of Macy's. I needed some more pressed powder, and then I wanted to look at the new Juicy Couture. I don't think it's new. I think they've been out for about a month, but the Juicy Couture lipsticks and lip glosses. I was looking at them online, but I want to see them in person before I just make a purchase. So I want to look at those. Excuse my frown, the sun is beaming today. But then I'm gonna go over to Nordstrom's rack because I haven't been over there, or I haven't been in that store in a while, and I want to check out and see if they have any like cool makeup or anything out. So I'm gonna go in Macy's real quick. If it's not too loud, I'll talk in there and show you guys the lipsticks and lip glosses, because there's a purple one and I know I might want to get that. You guys know I love purple, so I'm gonna go in Macy's right now. So I heard it was over at this impulse station. They got all kind of stuff in here. Look at this, Beauty Blender's Delight. Oh, how cute is that? The NYX like lollipop for $12. They got a whole bunch of stuff that you can put on a tree. Oh, here it is. And it's the We line, and here's the lipstick, and I'm happy I came to look at it because it's not all that great. It's supposed to be gold on the outside right there, and then you'll get your color in the middle. There's the purple. Oh, yeah, it doesn't look like how it looked online. It's supposed to be gold all around it like that, but I guess it kind of wipes away. But I thought that was pretty online. But I do still want to look at the lip glosses right here. And here is the eyeshadow palette, which I thought was pretty, but it's too shimmery, as you can tell. It has a lot of shimmer to it, but these are what I came for. They do have some other colors in the lipsticks too. Happily Ever After, Girl Stuff, and Not Your Babe. But I'm interested in this one. I'm gonna take a look at that in a second. So let me swatch this one real quick. So here are the swatches of the colors that they have out right here. As you can see, they're really pretty. I really like that purple one. They're really pigmented, but they're like a gloss, so it's not a lipstick. But I think I am gonna go ahead and get the purple one, and if I'm not mistaken, they are like $18, but I really like that purple one. Look at that gold, but I don't want gold flakes on my lips, so I'm not gonna get that one, but I'm gonna get the purple one. Okay, so now I'm just looking around. This is $39 by Smashbox. What is that? Contour Spotlight Palette. Some limited edition brushes by It Cosmetics, and these are $75 for this set. There's a smaller set for $50, and then this one is $25. Oh, this was created for Macy's. That's pretty. Look at that, all the flakes in there. Oh, they even have a lipstick set for $29. Be Legendary. Oh, this is my favorite gloss. I always talk about Buxom. These are so pretty. I'm so tempted. I don't see a price right now, but those are my favorite. If you're looking for a good gloss, Buxom is definitely the way to go. They also have this set right here. Oh, okay. Vanessa 2574. Vanessa 2574. Oh, here's the NYX sets. These are so cute. I was looking at these online, but I decided not to get one. I don't think I can open it. Yeah, I can't open it, but the cases are so cute. So you have that one, Land of Lollies. You have this one. How cute is that for $18? Her. Oh, look at this one. This is super cute. I like that one a lot. And then her right here. They even have the lipsticks. They got different ones. So that's a lip vault. These are lip vaults and they have different ones. So this is the slip tees. Okay, so now I'm over at MAC so I can get my NC45. Here's the newest stuff they have. Smarty Pants. That's Raver Girls, which I'm not really interested in any of these right now. And then Girls Pretty Punk. They have a few things, but I saw these online as well, but I wasn't really interested in any of those. They got some cute gift sets. This is $29.50, $24.50 for that one. Here is a lip kit for $79.50 and you get all of those colors. That'll be a cute gift to give. As well as the Fix and Prime little set right here you could get. Here's some other kits that they have online. These are goodie bags. And they have the 3 pieces that come in this cute little bag for $39.50. They have different colors, so pink, silver, and I think there's a green one too, but it's not out. Shiny, pretty stuff. Everything has glitter in it. I don't really want that. Look at this flower bomb set. How cute is that? Look at that. They come in this big ball that looks like an ornament with the little bells on top. That is so cute. Look at how they got it displayed. That is so adorable. Oh, I love that. Okay, so I just walked out of Macy's and now I'm gonna walk over here, which is literally right here, to Nordstrom's rack. That flower bomb display was super cute. It smells so good. So hopefully I find some cute stuff inside of Nordstrom's rack or some good makeup deals or something. I don't know. I'm not gonna go through everything because I just don't feel like being on the hunt in this store today, but I do want to go look at their makeup, so I'm going in. I don't see a price on, I don't see a price on these. Oh, $22.97 for that. And they have the lip glosses for $22. So in here you get some lashes and a lash brush for $9.97. What else is there? Liquid luminizer strobing pen, fiber brow gel and crayon. Oh, these are cute. What is those? Lip lacquers, top coat, Eiffel Tower glitter. That's that color, and there's different ones. All kinds of different ones, but look at the top of that. That is so cute. So they have all his stuff here. What are these? Little lip balms or lip glosses or something for $3.97. And this is an eyeshadow palette, Day to Night, for $19.97. Oh, look, they got some Tony Moly banana sleeping packs, and they are only $9.97. That's one of my favorite brands. They got the sleeping mask, the sleeping pack. Oh, those are the same thing. Those are good. Oh, they got a lot of Tony Moly stuff. Tightening cooling pack for $9.97. Soy milk and honey whipped body butter, limited edition, $26.97. Grapefruit whipped body butter for $11.97. That sounds yummy. Soy milk and honey. And they have a grapefruit for $24.97. Alright, you guys, so that was it. I came straight to the gas station because I forgot to get gas this morning, and my car was like, as soon as I got in it to vlog with you guys, it was like, you better get to the gas station. So I'm at Chevron, but I really just went to, let me roll these windows up. They're doing some vacuuming and stuff. But I really wanted to just go to Macy's to go look at the Juicy Couture and to get one of those possibly, which I did get, and then I just wanted to go to MAC to get my powder. When I went over to Nordstroms rack, there wasn't that much. Their music is always super loud in there. I'd be like, goodness, it's like a disco. But there wasn't too much. I was surprised to see all the Tony Moly products, though. That's like my favorite Korean brand. I usually get from like Ulta online or something like that, so that was kind of cool to see that in there. But there wasn't too much, and I was not going to walk through that store. It was just too much going on, and I didn't really feel like doing that today, like going through everything. And I saw some Christmas stuff, but I just went ahead and walked past it. So I went to go get what I got, which was from Macy's. Did that make sense? I went to go get what I got. Anyways, you know what I mean. I picked up what I went to go get. But that's it. I'm gonna just go ahead and get some gas, and I'm gonna head back towards the house, and that's it. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys what I was looking at today and bring you with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little walkthrough. They have some cute stuff at Macy's, some gift sets and stuff like that, which you can kind of get online as well. But it was kind of cool to see them in person. So thank you guys all for watching. I hope you're having a good day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.